The first three pavamanas are repeated, that is japa, by Yajamana also, facing the Udgadha. The next nine are sung by Udgadha alone for Atma, that means Atmartha, sincerely. Udgadha is the prana, he is the knower of prana and is prana bhuta. The prayer, lead me from samsara to higher planes, is the first mantra of Grihastha, who is the Yajamana. Udgada has become one with Shiva and he has no more desire or kama left to achieve. He can give sarva kama to others. Therefore, when Udgada sings the mantra, Yajamana can ask any kama or desire and that will be granted. Whatever is desired for Yajamana, for others as well as for one's own Atma, is made true by Udgada's singing. Since the avastha or the position of Vishwajit is already attained by the Udgada, the Yajna also is called Vishwajit. The control of prana, of the winds, and becoming one with it, one can win over the entire world. This is distributed to everyone who participates in the yaga or yajna, the sacrifice. Only one who is in the forest wants or desires to reach a village, no? One already is sitting in the village doesn't want to go to the village. So one who is in the aranya, in the forest, wants to reach the village. Who is already, for one who had Brahmanubhava, there are no more desires. He doesn't want to go anywhere else. Only for those who have not reached Brahmanubhava, desires still remain. A person who has no desires will not desire anything for him or herself. If he or she desires, there is no meaning in calling him or her as desireless. And he or she can't be a Vishwajit either. Therefore, whatever the Udgada acquires for Atma, Atmartha, and for oneself is for distribution and sharing with others. A teacher acquires Vidya to share it with all the world, with his Sishyas, the coming generations. No? Therefore, 1/4 of the Pavamana is for the Yajamana, who is a Grihastha, who performs the sacrifice with desire. And the rest 1/3 is for the Udgada, who shares it with the entire world. So that is how the division we said in the earlier episode. No? How does the Udgada feel? I am prana without the Asura Vishaya Sangha. Sangha to Vishaya, which is considered as Asura, and therefore I am pure. The 5 starting from Vag, through my dependence, reaches the Atmaswarupa of energy, that is Agni, and becomes liberated from their natural state of Vishaya Sangha and the sins which are Asura, dark. Since food is dependent on me, Anna is dependent on me, all living things which depend upon food for continuing life are dependent on me. He should be able to give food to whoever comes. No? I am the Atma of all elements. Therefore, I am the Angirasa. I am Rik, Yajus, Sama, and Udgita. I have attained the bhava of Samaniti, the law of Sama, law of music, which is balanced and harmonious. And my external wealth is my sweet swara. My wealth is not the property I have acquired, but my property, my real wealth is my sweet swara, my knowledge. The internal wealth is my own experience, my swanubhuti of the nirvana, which has the lakshana of suvarnam. The word used is savarna lakshana. When I attain the Giti bhava, my pratishtha are the 8 positions. I, with these qualities, is Arupa, without Rupa, formless, Sarvagata, which can go everywhere, anywhere, Sarvavyapi, even in the body of ants. I am even in the body of an ant, in an elephant, in everything. With this knowledge and mentality, by thoughts and by analysis, what else is there to desire? Nothing else to desire more. Whatever he or she does or thinks or says is for the entire world, for others to enjoy a good and fruitful life. Now, when I speak of these words, I am actually speaking about the desire of a gnani to do something good for the world, for the peace of the world. Whether it is a music therapy, whether it is art therapy, whether it is literature therapy, whatever, for the good of the entire universe. That is the only desire that gnani should have. The swara, the jnana within, is our greatest wealth. This we acquire not to keep to ourselves, but to give to the entire world, to have a good life for everybody. That is what is meant by this Brahmana. In a nutshell, I am speaking.